Children and babies always pay attention to what they see in your hands and want to get them from you. They'll probably be angry with you when you don't want to give it. Or worse, they put you in a crisis by crying. In our video, we have made a list of the toys that will make them give up what we have.
Hi, friend. Circle. Time for breakfast. How are you? I'm Scout.
Level up your screen time with the Osmo Genius Starter Kit Plus Family Game Night. It's a great way for kids ages 5 to 10 to explore STEAM topics on their own or play together with friends and family. When you open up your kit, you'll find an Osmo basin reflector, setup instructions, and 3 plastic storage containers with the tangram, numbers, and words pieces needed to play all 7 games. Follow the setup instructions from your kit to download and install the games. Next, place your tablet in the base and slide the red reflector on top. This reflector bends the tablet's camera to see what's happening on the table. Grab your pieces and now you're ready to play. The Genius Starter Kit Plus Family Game Night is fantastic because it features 2 brand new collaborative games designed for group play. Guide a team of bees and collect honey in Math Buzz. This strategy game works with the numbers tiles and encourages cooperative play while practicing math. Unlock new levels and numbers on your way, but make sure to watch out for those annoying pests. Lettertopia is compatible with the words tiles and turns spelling into an exciting multiplayer board game. Arrange your letter tiles to match the path you want to take on the grid and celebrate together when you reach the goal zone. The Osmo Genius Starter Kit Plus Family Game Night also includes all 5 games from the original Genius Kit, including Tangram, a puzzle game where players match the pieces on the table to the shapes on the screen, Words, a scramble to guess words and quickly spell them using the letters tiles, and Numbers, a fun challenge game that takes the pressure off of practicing basic counting, addition, and multiplication. This kit also comes with 2 games that only require pencil, paper, and other objects you may have around your house. Newton is a physics-based game where you guide falling balls into targeted zones using drawn lines or objects. And in Masterpiece, you can create anything from simple lines to beautiful detailed drawings. Digital learning in the real world is even more powerful when it's hands-on, with the Osmo Genius Starter Kit Plus Family Game Night. To learn more, check out the other great games and starter kits in Osmo's learning system.
With the new INNO interactive touchpad, help children engage in a rewarding learning experience. The INNO comes with 4 different entertaining modes. In the Learn mode, gain knowledge about how animals or objects sound and look like. Learn what instruments sound like in Music mode, while also enhancing the child's creativity by allowing them to play and record the instruments. Test the child's auditory memory retention in the Basic Quiz mode. Listen to the sound being played and match the sound related to the particular picture. Advanced Quiz mode will test the child's logical thinking. Choose the correct picture pertaining to descriptions and scenarios provided. Take learning activities on the go. The INNO comes with 8 durable plastic learning cards, 16 lesson pages, and volume control. It provides 5 levels of volume adjustments and comes with batteries included, so your child can start learning in no time. With this 16 lessons provided, your child will learn about colors, animals, the alphabet, numbers, shapes, fruit, and time. INNO LeapPad is an interactive and portable toy to help children develop visual, auditory, reading, and kinesthetic skills while having fun.
You are your child's first teacher. Why not start them off on their first learning adventure? Introducing Animal Island Learning Adventure, the AILA Sit and Play, an AI-empowered preschool program designed to grow with your child. It's a hands-free, ad-free, subscription-free, worry-free learning companion and parenting tool with built-in AI that adapts to your toddler's needs.
Now count them with me. 1, 2, 3. Perfect!
AILA recognizes your child's level of engagement,
Monkey.
delivering the right content at the right time. And when it's time to take a break, you can switch your AILA Sit and Play into lullaby mode. They're never too young for adventure. They're never too young to learn. AILA Sit and Play.
Goodbye.